Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without the subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. Sorry that I updated you today that Junior Kanye said about Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs will not qualify for the CAF Confederation Cup quarter-final despite topping the group. It is critically analyzed. Junior Kanye has cast doubts over Kaizer Chiefs' chances of reaching the CAF Confederation Cup quarter-finals, despite the club currently sitting at the top of their groups. Kaizer Chiefs boosted their hopes with a 2-1 over Al Masry at the Peter Mokaba Stadium, a result that took them to 10 points in Group D. They are now 2 points clear of Zamalek, who they will face away from home in the final group match. On paper, Amakhosi only need a draw to secure progress, but Junior Kanye believes that situation is far more complicated. Speaking on Idiski TV, Junior Kanye said Kaizer Chiefs are likely to go to Egypt playing for a draw, a mindset he feels could cost them. He begged Zamalek to use home advantage and claim a win, while he also predicted that Al Masry will do enough against Zesco United to stay in competition. So, Junior Kanye added that he was not fully impressed by Kaizer Chiefs' performance against Al Masry, even though they've got the result. He also raised concern about the hostile condition in North Africa, suggesting Kaizer Chiefs could face treatment as a questionable officiating. According to Junior Kanye, these factors could ultimately see Kaizer Chiefs missed out on the quarterfinal. So, if you are new here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without pressing subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.